Om Swastiastu, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan, Rahayu. This presentation discusses a doctoral dissertation entitled Optimization of Activation Process Parameters for Activated Carbon from Thick Wood Sawdust using the Taguchi method for methylene blue absorption. This research focused on the utilization of thick wood sawdust waste as a sustainable raw material for methylene blue removal from aqueous solution. Introduction. Industrial wastewater, especially from textile and dye industries, is a major contributor to water pollution. Methylene blue is a commonly used dye that poses environmental and health risks, such as skin and respiratory irritation. Its presence in water bodies reduces light penetration, disrupts photosynthesis, lowers dissolved oxygen level, and negatively affect aquatic ecosystem. The image shows environmental pollution caused by the textile industry. Among various wastewater treatment methods, adsorption is considered one of the most effective and practical techniques. Activated carbon is widely used due to its high surface area, porous structure, and strong absorption capability. These properties make activated carbon particularly suitable for removing organic dyes such as methylene blue from contaminated water. Activated carbon has extensive application across various industries, including water purification, gas storage, biogas purification, carbon dioxide capture, electrodes, lithium-ion batteries, and supercapacitor. In this research, activated carbon is specifically applied as an adsorbent to evaluate its effectiveness in methylene blue removal from aqueous solution. Conventional activated carbon is typically produced from coal or petroleum-based material, which are non-renewable and increasingly expensive. Therefore, alternative renewable and low-cost raw material are required. Thick wood sawdust waste is selected in this study due to its abundance, high carbon content, and potential for sustainable activated carbon production. Activation is the most critical stage in determining the quality of activated carbon. Several parameters influence this process, including activation temperature, heating rate, holding time, and nitrogen flow rate. Proper control of this parameter is essential to achieve optimal pore development and absorption performance. Nitrogen gas plays an important role in preventing oxidation during activation, assisting in volatile removal, and supporting pore development. Holding time determines the extent of pore formation. Insufficient holding time results in underdeveloped pores, while excessive holding time may cause pore collapse and structural damage. The research problem focused on understanding how activation temperature, heating rate, nitrogen flow rate, and holding time affect methylene blue absorption. This study also aims to determine the optimal combination of parameters and identify the most influential factors using signal-to-noise ratio and ANOVA analysis. The objective of this research are to evaluate the influence of each activation parameters on absorption capacity, determine optimal activation conditions, and identify dominant factors affecting the performance of activated carbon derived from thick wood sawdust. This research provides scientific and practical benefits by offering optimized activation parameters for producing efficient, economical, and environmentally friendly activated carbon. The results may contribute to sustainable wastewater treatment technologies. To maintain research focus, environmental conditions are assumed constant and all instruments are properly calibrated. Characterization is limited to proximate analysis, surface morphology, surface area, pore volume, pore size, distribution, and absorption performance. Literature review. Dehydration remove free moisture. Carbonization increase fixed carbon content by eliminating non-carbon elements. And activation enhance pore development using physical or chemical process to improve absorption efficiently. Absorption occurs due to surface force acting on solid materials. When a solid surface contacts a liquid, adsorbate molecules accumulate on the surface and within pores due to intermolecular interaction such as van der Waals forces. The Taguchi method is an experimental design approach that improves quality by identifying dominant factors influencing system performance. It reduces experimental effort while maintaining statistical reliability. The Taguchi method defines three qualities characteristics: nominal the best, smaller the better, and larger the better. This study adopts the larger the better characteristic to maximize methylene blue adsorption capacity. Orthogonal arrays enable systematic evaluation of multiple factors simultaneously. An L9 array is selected for 4 factors at 3 levels, requiring only 9 experiments instead of a full factorial design. Research framework, concept, and hypothesis. Increasing dye pollution necessitates effective treatment methods. By optimizing activated carbon derived from thick wood sawdust using the Taguchi method, this study aims to develop a high-performance and sustainable adsorbent. This research investigates the relationship between activated parameters and activated carbon characteristics, with particular emphasis on methylene blue adsorption performance. The experimental design utilized an L9 orthogonal array to efficiently represent the experimental space, allowing identification of optimal activation conditions with minimal experimental runs. The hypothesis states that thick wood sawdust is suitable as a raw material. Activation parameter significantly affect absorption performance, and optimized activated carbon can effectively remove methylene blue. ANOVA is employed to evaluate the statistical significance and contribution of its factor, enabling identification of parameters that most strongly influence absorption performance. In this section, a two-way analysis of variance was performed to evaluate the effect of its factor on the average methylene blue absorption. A factor was considered to have a significant effect in the F count value was greater than the F table value, indicating experimental evidence that the factor played an important role in the absorption process. Research methodology. Research variables. Independent variables include activation temperature, heating rate, nitrogen flow rate, and holding time. The dependent variable is methylene blue absorption capacity, while other conditions are controlled. The roadmap illustrates sequential research stages from material preparation and activation to characterization, data analysis, and optimization. The thick wood sawdust is dehydrated at 105 degrees Celsius for 2 hours to remove moisture prior to carbonization and activation. After carbonization, samples undergo activation based on Taguchi design parameters, followed by comprehensive material characterization. All specimens follow the L9 Taguchi matrix, ensuring the systematic evaluation of activation parameter and efficient optimization. The research is conducted at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University, according to the planned research schedule. The scope includes microstructure analysis, BET surface area, pore volume, pore size distribution, and methylene blue absorption performance. Primary material include thick wood sawdust and nitrogen gas. Equipment includes electric furnace, SEM, TGA, BET analyzer, and UV-Vis spectrophotometers. SEM, scanning electron microscope, is used for morphology analysis. TGA for proximate analysis, and absorption isotherm test is used for surface and pore characterization. This slide shows research material tool, including proximate test to determine ash, volatile, water, and fixed carbon content, SEM test to observe micromorphology, and absorption isotherm test to measure surface area and pore characteristic of activated carbon. Methylene blue absorption tests are conducted using UV vis spectroscopy at a wavelength of 664 nanometers to quantify absorption performance. Collected data include surface area, pore volume, pore diameter, pore distribution, methylene blue absorption capacity. At this stage, data on the absorption capacity and percentage of methylene blue adsorption by activated carbon was collected. Each experimental condition was repeated 3 times to obtain representative values. The concentration of methylene blue was analyzed using a UV vis spectrophotometer, which was then used to calculate the absorption capacity and percentage. Activation and testing are conducted using a tubular reactor, flow meters, and a programmable electric furnace to ensure stable experimental conditions. Results and discussion. TGA results indicate low moisture, ash, and volatile content, along with high fixed carbon, confirming good quality activated carbon. FTIR spectra identify functional groups such as hydroxyl and carbonyl groups, which enhance interaction between activated carbon and methylene blue molecules. The XRD patterns reveal characteristic amorphous carbon peaks, confirming porous activated carbon structure. SEM images show improved pore development at higher activation temperatures and appropriate holding times, supporting enhanced absorption performance. Samples L8 and L9 exhibit the biggest absorption capacity, indicating larger surface area and better pore accessibility. Pore size distribution is dominated by micropores with contribution from mesopores, which is favorable from methylene blue absorption. Micropores contribute significantly to surface area, while mesopores enhance pore volume and mass transfer efficiency. Adsorption results are evaluated using signal-to-noise ratios to determine optimal factor level. ANOVA indicates that net regen flow rate, activation temperature, and heating rate significantly influence absorption, while holding time has a lesser effect. The optimal activation conditions are 800 degrees Celsius, 10 degree per minute heating rate, 100 millimeters per minute net regen flow rate, and 150 minutes holding time. High activation temperatures promotes pore formation, moderate heating rates maintain structure stability, nitrogen flow prevents oxidations, and adequate holding time supports pore development. Conclusion and recommendation. In conclusion, the Taguchi method was successfully applied to optimize the activation conditions for producing activated carbon from thick wood sawdust for methylene blue adsorption using the larger the better quality characteristic. Based on the Taguchi main effect analysis, the optimal conditions were obtained at an activation temperature of 800 degrees Celsius, an activation rate of 6 degrees Celsius per minute, a nitrogen flow rate of 200 millimeters per minute, and a holding time of 100 minutes. Furthermore, the experimental run confirmed that the highest methylene blue absorption capacity was achieved at an activation temperature of 800 degrees Celsius, a heating rate of 10 degrees Celsius per minute, a nitrogen flow rate of 100 millimeters per minute, and a holding time of 150 minutes. Analysis using the signal-to-noise ratio and ANOVA revealed that the nitrogen flow rate is the most influential parameter, followed by activation temperature, while heating rate has a smaller contribution and holding time shows no significant effect. Characterization results from SEM, XRD, FTIR, and BET analyzed consistently support these findings, confirming that improved porosity, amorphous carbon structure, and the presence of active functional groups are the key factors responsible for enhanced methylene blue absorption. For future work, it is recommended to explore various biomass-based raw material and further optimize activation parameters using the Taguchi method to enhance absorption capacity. In addition, studies on absorption, saturation, regeneration process, and reusability of activated carbon are necessary to improve long-term performance. This slide presents the evidence of the submission of the journal. It includes the title page of the submitted research article and official confirmation from the journal system showing that the manuscript has been successfully uploaded and accepted for editorial processing. That is all of the presentation. Thank you for watching. Om Santi 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 Om. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, namo buddhaya, salam kebajikan, rahayu.